Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beating is can't see on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, it's not a good look for dancehall artist Alkaline because him never sell out the arena like how Vybz Kartel sold out the arena. Put in the comment section where you think about that because the vendetta people is just telling lies, man. You know what I mean? And this is one of the first lies, my people, before we get into the numbers of how many tickets Alkaline actually sold. A lot of people is saying, Vybz Kartel had help on Fame Show, and we see the same help on Alkaline. Sure, so, I don't know why they were lie about simple things like that, because we see only Kartel and Alkaline name upon the flyer them, and we see Alkaline had other acts on the show. Now, let's get into the sold out lies, because as you can see, video footage of Flipper Mafia, showing, a surrounding of the arena, and there was a lot of empty seats, my people. A lot of empty seats, and there was no empty seats inside when Kartel did the whole Fame Show. You know what I mean? And this is why we have to talk about the tickets now, because the promoter said they done sell out the arena when Alkaline reached 13K. Meaning that's all they booked. 13,000 seats out of the 19,000 odd seats. This is my people. Put in the comment section where you think about that. And this is why I said, why are they afraid to release the actual numbers of tickets sold in Alkaline's venue? And if they do, it will take away from his impactful history he just made the other day. Because as you can see, the promoter said 13,000 seats and him sell out, And they had to make the arena bigger to have extra seating. And right there's a red flag because Barclays Center still the same size, So that's why we need to say how much extra tickets did Una reserve to sell after Una reached 13K. Because we know, say, Vybz Kartel, each show had at least 15,500 people. So them can calculate the sales and say, about $8.4 million US make that weekend. This is what I say. And you see billboards and Barclay, them talk about the numbers as well for other previous acts. You see me? You know what I mean? So this is why I'm say Alkaline, them afraid for sure the exact numbers, because they would have say him sell out, but only 14,000 seats sold, which will be less than Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? But nevertheless, if they do present the actual number, I will be sure to do a review on it. You see what I say? But nevertheless, my people, let's proceed to the next trending topic. Me say out of dancehall, you see me? And I have to deal with Buju Banton and Wayne Wonder and his wife, because it's Wednesday, my people, and we don't see no apology. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because, Buju Banton lawyers, them filed, the lawsuit already. Them not about to wait and things them filed, because, the wife have got proof that Buju, I want rape a boy, I want murderer. And, I don't really think he cares about the thieving aspect, You see what I say? But nevertheless, it seemed like they did respond to his 48 hours deadline, but they responded with calling him one informer. You see what I say? Because say Wayne Wonder just drop upon the Wi-Fi rhythm, yeah. So say the thing is going to shot and be trending. And say Buju Banton did an inform on Wayne Wonder wife saying, the girl is cheating on him, with a bag of promoters, so Wayne he can get, bookings. Right, so that's why the wife was like, release all of the DMs, them, especially the ones she sent to him prior to him coming live and I blast the thing. So yeah, he took to his Facebook page to, let the thing out, So this is what I see on the Facebook page. The wait is over, right? Because I now wait for any response, and he's responding with informer. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Not sure how far this is going to go, but yeah, some serious allegations they throw out upon her part and Buju part, but the raping and the murderer part, them things they have to clear up, You see me? But me just giving them a quick update. You see it? Let's proceed.
You can't report me for nothing. I don't know illegal. And a CPN get me a sir. My friend social and her legal name. My friend Ban, yeah. Will get me, yeah. My son named the pie, yeah. My name depend this. My dog name depend this. Me have to pay $400 for my dog move in. And pay $30 monthly for ice for Louis. My landlord know me live here. My immigration officer have my current address. I was yesterday or day before me go check in. Everything good.
The scammers in Atlanta are going to kill me, but this is the biggest scam going on in Atlanta right now. Those CPN home packages. This is the biggest scam of 2026, and if you keep falling for these scammers, you're going to find yourself doing jail time, locked up for bank and wire fraud, and no longer having access to funding from major banks.
Apartment owners nationwide.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think so far, because this is what's trending, you know, my people. The things that Ivania talk about, the people them I said, Babylon them know about. As you see, the boy said that are the biggest scam in Atlanta. I know RT Boss and crew is saying, you know, Ivani in a Della land, you know. You see my ass, so let's take a listen to what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
On Vanya for go down too.
Both of them.
Well, well, I'm the only judge when I got me mute.
The lady never do her nothing. Now she bring the lady
I
name that
never
the mix
do.
up, you know.
All I don't know if alright then, because you know people's attention span is very low, especially like when you send like paragraphs or whatever. But I was just trying to explain to Ivani. I thought Ivani had better reasoning
Nope,
than
she not have none.
she doesn't. So I'm gonna try reason with the girl and say, yo, this is the situation. I really don't know who's behind the fake page, but it's definitely not me, right? And because this fake page keep getting, they've blamed every single person under the sun about who's under this fake. I don't know who. Look how many fake pages are out there on Vani right now talking about Vani. Why is it that this one Dege fake page is upsetting you guys so much? What's on that fake
And
page?
you're not behind
that's so
Linus page,
upset-
you're not behind setup page. So why
I'm
them a fear
not.
you?
I
And
don't
you're not
know.
behind
They
those
say-
page.
They set up come out and say, no, Shauna is not me. Linus come out. I've heard Linus speak.
Linus over here,
actually.
Linus is not you. We know that Fairfax, that's not you.
It's not me. So they've said all of these things. They've accused me of being every single person, and it really just have to stop. You're talking about obsession. The obsession is one way. They're using that KK girl to come out to attack me because KK don't like me, right? But they don't
because
KK.
KK wants
have the
seem like
proof of that.
she's smart and she know everything. So
Yeah,
that's what,
they
yeah.
call her I was reading it. I screenshotted the message that they sent calling her the box whore. That's what they think of her, that she's because all she does is run her mouth, but empty barrel always have something to say, and that's all that it is.
Tell Love to go worry about
That's
her
all that
case
it
where
is.
she have. Nobody now listen to Love. Anything Love want talk, tell Love say when you like scam and I first she do it. So anything she wants to say about Dr.
It's not the
Shauna,
first she's done it.
Dr. Shauna's
she's a
been
serial
telling the
scammer.
truth. She's a serial scammer and a human
She's a
trafficker.
human
Everybody know that.
trafficker. She's a drug trafficker, right? And all of them something there. That's who this girl is. Point blank, period. And that's
Anybody
really
want
all I have to
entertain?
say. Anytime when I'm coming out again, it's just to show the proof them of the screenshot, the voice recording, all my calls that I've been speaking to these girls over the...
Doctor.
Yeah.
I want to say something to you.
Mm-hmm.
You're a diplomat. But
Go ahead.
Mayor is like diplomat now. With all of these allegations and things that come and you have your receipt, don't you feel when the police write it up and when you reach to the judge now, and when the judge has the final say, because the judge has to listen to the story.
Capricorn.
Don't you believe when the judge analyzes the story on both sides, and you as a doctor, would you believe the judge would say, but doctor, it seems like I have to charge you for association. Your association, you're mixed.
No,
let me finish
RT.
first. Well, I'm messing you come across. Me and you know there's laws.
Yeah, there is
Especially the human part. And if you give out so information like what you're giving now, calculating it to make you know that you're associating.
But RT's on her record and she a talking. She a talk what's on Love's record.
She talk with Love.
But public information, she not talk something where she, I know something where she know.
I don't know where you just find out.
I don't know what she find out. No, it's on her record.
It's on her record.
It's on her record, RT. She not talk where she.
Yeah,
It's on her record.
yeah, it's on her record.
All right, because
These are
if you're
facts. These are not.
talking if you're talking what is on a record already, that's fine.
Yeah.
But you ought to be mindful that too much detail on your side make it seem like you will be associated
No,
when you
not
try to cover
RT,
your side.
RT, everything where she had talk, she been tell the police them already. They're just looking for love. I look for love, you know. So love go there at the police station.
Yeah, but
to
look
go.
what me I look pan. If list what I'm looking at, people, me not done, but we just a talk. If this thing is since everything come out now, police and everybody get involved.
No, the police been involved, RT. Them a look for love for her case already.
No, man, where she's concerned. I'm not talking about love. Love, we know of love case.
No, where Dr. Shauna is concerned, this been in the police hands. They've been looking for love.
Before Barney come out, the whole street, the whole way before.
I reported her in August.
You're not saying, come on, make it clear.
She kept moving.
You're not saying since it come to the media, the police involved.
No,
the police was involved before the media.
No.
This been she make her report them everything already on them.
FaceTimes me.
She stopped.
No, RT.
Let me say this, right? This has never been in the media, and it's been going on. I know what's going on because I mean, but
it's not going to feel over a year now, RT. This is going on
for a long time.
They're looking for her, but she keep moving.
Yeah, she FaceTimes me, and she had a gun in her hand, and she said, "I'm gonna kill you if me talk."
Who that?
And that's a threat.
Love.
Or
Princess
PJ.
Brown.
Yeah.
So RT, this is bigger than social media. This been in the police hands. This been in the police hands, RT. You know? So where she at talk and nothing, it's been in the cops' hands.
People, I have to repeat the mix.
RT, you finished? Go ahead, Dr. Shauna.
Go ahead, doctor.
No, go ahead. No, you were saying something, RT.
All right. You answer my question. Me just did ask, but you said that you're talking.
Yeah, man, long time. Like from August. Is it August or September? I reported her. I reached out to Bark. Because I don't live in the state of Georgia. So I don't even live in the state of Florida anymore, but okay. But whatever. So yeah, it is what it is.
So when Vani come out, that's the wrong thing. Vani come out last night and this to call Dr. Shauna name because she make
putting in the comment section if Ivani is out of the hot water. This girl says she's not doing nothing wrong, as you've seen. You see, I say anyway, people will not go along with this too longer. Just to give them quick updates another day. So do the right thing. If you hasn't subscribed to the King, turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.